Changing your linked bank account on eToro is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your banking information. Step 1. Log into your eToro account. Access your eToro account by visiting the eToro website or opening the eToro app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the menu or profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment methods. In Account Settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to view your current linked bank accounts. Step 4. Remove old bank accounts. Identify the bank account you wish to change. There should be an option to remove or unlink this account. Click on it and confirm the action when prompted. Step 5. Add new bank account. After removing the old account, look for an option to add new bank account. Enter the required details for your new bank account, including account number and bank information. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your new bank account will be linked to your eToro account. Make sure to verify the changes and ensure everything is set up correctly.